How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to warm up before a high intensity interval training session, so a HIIT session. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. The best way to warm up before a HIIT session is to do a few stretches, you guys, and also walking on the treadmill. I recommend that you walk for at least 5 minutes to get warmed up. This will get the blood flowing and everything just nice and warmed up, you guys. So I will show you the stretches that I do to warm up. The first stretch is simply going to be touching your toes. So this is going to stretch your hamstrings. It's probably one of the best stretches you can do for your hamstrings. So just go as low as possible. If you can't touch your toes, that's perfectly fine. The point here is to get that hamstring stretch right in here, and you can even feel your hamstring stretching when you bend over like this. So just touch your toes. Just like this, you guys. If you can't touch your toes, that's fine. Just go as low as possible. And again, just touch your toes. Hold this stretch for about a minute or so, and then just come back up and do the other stretches. The next one is going to be a quad stretch. And again, when we're doing HIIT, we want to work out our quads, our hamstrings, our calves. These are important ones, you guys. So next one is going to be holding our quads like this, holding our leg backwards. This is going to put a nice stretch right in our quad area like this. It's a great way to warm up before doing HIIT. And again, when you are doing a HIIT session, it is very important that you do warm up because it's so intense, you guys. So you want to make sure that you warm up. If you don't warm up, there is the possibility of you getting hurt. And yes, I have tweaked stuff before by running and not warming up. So if you are doing a HIIT session, you are doing running. Even if you're not doing running on the treadmill, you're doing another HIIT session, because HIIT isn't just running on the treadmill. HIIT is anything that's high intensity that has interval training in it. So you can be jumping a rope, you can be doing burpees, you can be even doing push-ups. That's high intensity interval training, you guys, as long as you're doing interval training. So again, it's very important to warm up, very important. Last exercise that we're going to do, because we want to work our quads, our hamstrings, and our calves. So the next exercise that we're going to be doing is just standing calf raises like so. We want to do 10 nice and slow. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we want to do 10 fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And again, all we're doing is we're just doing a simple calf raise like so. Now, just by doing that, my legs, they are warmed up. Nice, good stretch. I'm ready to do my high intensity session. My quads are warmed up, my hamstrings are warmed up, my calves are warmed up. I'm ready to go. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.